As a test today, I sent the drone up because it was so windy and I wanted to see how well the drone would stabilize in the strong wind. To my surprise, look how stable it is in the wind. Just incredible. So anyway, I decided to fly it down by the park, and then I had it up about 250 feet, and then I got a warning, strong wind warning, to lower it. So I lowered it to about 150 feet, then it was okay. And so it was a good test. Look how stable it is in the strong wind. Just unreal.